Welcome to Micromatters Learning Microbiology Online. Presently, we the human beings are facing COVID-19 pandemic, a viral disease. It has affected all the sectors, including educational system. Billions of learners are affected due to the closure of educational institutions. But we the students of microbiology of Dayanand College of Solapur feels that learning should not be interrupted. In this context, we have decided to use a digital learning platform to enhance the learning experience. We will be meeting you with new topics every time. Our attempt is to make microbiology science more simple and understandable to everybody, especially school students and BSc first year and second year students. We are sure you will find this more interesting and informative. In the initial attempt, we will try to explain the meaning of various terminologies that everybody unknowingly using to related this pandemic COVID-19.
Infection. We all are using the term infection. Infection is the entry, establishment and multiplication of a pathogen in a host body. When humans or host immune system is, then infection occurs. There are different types of infection like primary, secondary and reinfection and so on. These infections are transmitted to other people by a carrier. Carrier is the individual who harbors the pathogen in a body without showing any symptoms. There are different types of a carrier like acute, convalescent, incubatory and healthy carrier.
Now we are going to take a look at what are communicable and non-communicable diseases. Disease that is transmitted directly or indirectly from one infected person to another by an infectious agent or its toxin is called a communicable disease. Communicable disease is also referred as a contagious disease or infectious disease. The current pandemic situation of COVID-19 what we are facing is one of the example of communicable disease, as well as tuberculosis, HIV, common cold and hepatitis are some of the examples of communicable disease. Whether non-communicable diseases occur in one person and cannot be passed on to the another person. Non-communicable diseases are referred as a chronic diseases. That means they last long time and progress slowly. Some of the most severe non-communicable diseases are cardiovascular diseases, chronic lung diseases, cancers, diabetes, arthritis, etc. And dietary habits, nutrition deficiency and environment and lifestyle of the person play a major role in the causation of communicable diseases.
We come across some terms like endemic, pandemic and epidemic diseases. Let us know the meaning of these terms. Epidemic diseases are those wherein larger number of people get affected in a short time of period. Another terminology is endemic diseases are those which occurs constantly and affecting few number of people in a particular area. And the third terminology is pandemic diseases, where the epidemic diseases get spread out all over the world is known as a pandemic diseases.
Hi guys, so in this COVID-19 situations we came across different terminologies like immunity, herd immunity, etc. The first terminology is immunity. Immunity is the resistance power of the host to fight with the pathogens and its product. So we can increase our immunity by exercise, good sleep and balanced diet. So another terminology is herd immunity. Herd immunity is the overall level of immunity in the particular community is known as the herd immunity. Thank you guys.